That subscriber who just comment, thank you so much for commenting. Because hey, what is up guys, hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Monday Show. And in this episode of Monday Show I have my review on this headphone that, as you can see, I'm wearing this thing. I just didn't wanted to review this thing because I have been using this for around 3 years and 3 months from July 2016 and it's October, so it's been around 3 years and 3 or 4 months and it is performing like a champ. So we're gonna talk about this thing. I thought that I'll never make the review, but one of my subscribers just asked in my recent video that which headphone do I use. Then I thought that yes, I have, and I haven't made any review, so let's make another review for this Monday show because I had to make the review. We'll be talking about all these major things that people should expect from an headphone that is not super premium, but it's quite a bit premium for me kind of person who doesn't have a lot of money to buy all those Beats earphones or even Apple's AirPods or any kind of headphones. Those are really expensive, like Sennheiser or JBL ones, but this thing cost only $30 to $35 to $40, around $40. So for that price range, I think this is a champ because we're going to talk about the design, color, battery, and also the sound quality and also the build quality and pretty much every single thing that I have experienced for these 3 years. Like since I have bought this thing, I'm really happy with this thing because I have been using this thing for editing my video, doing workouts, listening random music. So these are the 3 things I usually do, and that means I'm using this thing for 3.5 years and this is performing like a champ for these 3 sections: editing my videos, going to gym, and also listening some random music for a random times. Let's talk about the design because that's our first thing to talk about, and the design is really amazing. This orange and the black, and this has 2 colors. This variant, this is the black variant, and there is another variant that is the white variant, and I think the black looks much more better than the white. I don't know why, and white tends to get a little dirtier, but black is really amazing. And I have dropped this thing into water also and sweaty, but this thing is not IP rated or anything like that, but I also use this thing for gym. That's the reason, as you can see there is a lot of dense meshes and all the things. The primary things happens when I drop this inside of this water, and like I was just using this thing and I went to toilet and suddenly I just did this and it just fell away. So it was really bad, and I just picked this from the water and I just washed it, put this thing on sun, and after that it is working right. Like it's around 1 year back that incident happens, and still these days it is running like a champ. There is no sound problems, but the design gone a little bad because all these things are not properly made out of leather. These things are foam because it has to give really great cushion. That's the reason it is made out of this foam. Like the cushioning of this thing is really amazing. It is very soft. As you can see, this thing is very soft. Now let's talk about the battery life. So it claims for 14 hours of battery life and I got more than 14 hours. So this is the first time I have experienced this kind of things, like someone claiming the time and we're getting much more than that. Like it has 300 mAh of battery. The brand claims that it will give you 14 hours of playback, but I got more than 14 hours, and like I charged this thing like 3 or 4 days back and I'm still using this thing with my laptop to edit my videos, and also went to gym last night. You can use this thing as a wired headphones also, so that's a really amazing benefit that you have. You can use Bluetooth. When you don't have Bluetooth, you can use the wire, and this is provided with Bluetooth 4.1. and that's about my review. I think there is not a lot of things to say. There is one button to turn it on, there's the volume rockers, and it is still charged with a micro USB because that time the Type-C was very rare, so that's the reason it used to charge with the micro USB. And I don't have any complaints about this thing. Like for the money, you're getting the best that you can, and it is really sturdy. Like the quality of the build is really amazing. It is not sponsored, but I really like that. The upper side has no issues because of using this thing for gym. It got all these problems inside because it used to get like wet for 1 or 2 hours constantly. That's the reason there is a lot of dents inside. I think if I didn't use this thing for gym, it could last much more better because all these things couldn't get all the sweaty and the dropping inside of water. Like all those 3 incidents make it 2 incidents. Yes, 2 incidents make it a little bad. Even after all those incidents, I think this is performing like a champ. And if I have to talk about the sound quality, it can provide you some amazing sound quality that you can compare with all those amazing headphones available on the market for double or tripling the price amount of this thing. If I can let you hear all the sound, then you could understand this is amazing, really amazing. Anyway, that was all for the sound quality, and pretty much I think that I have already told you all the things that you may need to know about these headphones. So if you want to buy these days it is much more cheaper, like 2,500 taka. That means around $20-30 something like that. So if you want, you can still get this. I think there is much more updated version of its brother, big brother, or what you can say. So if you want to get this, and you can exactly get this. And that subscriber who just comment, thank you so much for commenting, because you just commented, I just made the video. I think you guys really enjoyed the video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, what you have to do is do subscribe, press the bell icon, and comment on anything, because I will just reply. Or even if I need to make video, I'll make videos about that thing. So anyway, that was for this Monday show. I'll see you another day with another videos. Until then, what you have to do, you know, and I'll be see you in another video. Goodbye.